Abraham Mutai and KSFM, I would request that we use the podium. Karibu sana. Going on, we'll have the race starting at its stipulated time. It will be a very entertaining day. So, and everyone is welcome around.
I want to thank, of course, World Athletics for bestowing us with this gold label event. It is not easy. It is not easy to have a gold label event in this kind of environment. But they trusted us. They saw that we were capable of hosting an event of this magnitude. So we want to thank them. We want to thank them for allowing us to host this thing. And therefore, we need them very, very serious arrangements. Everything to be in place, timings, correct equipment, correct results, correct officiating. I hope we will have one of the biggest crowd to come and witness. And at this stage, I want to invite not only the people of Uasin Gishu, but even the surrounding counties, because it's not for Uasin Gishu alone. As much as we still open, we have a confirmation. Several athletes from different countries, more around 17. We have the list of those who have already confirmed, which are released. And of course, I can name the countries that have the athletes competing. That, of course, from our own region, East African region, we have Uganda, Eritrea, we have Ethiopia, we have Tanzania, who are going to be there, and also South Africa. Then from outside Africa, we'll be having athletes from Germany. We have also from Great Britain, Belgium, we have from Italy, and then, of course, quite a number of them are confirmed from Poland. And then we have now athletes who are training in return from the US, confirming that they are also going to compete. So this time around, we have more athletes than last year. Foreign athletes are competing. And you know the rules are, the total prize money for this year is 15 million. This is the highest so far. And of course, now we are paying, especially the international events like the senior men and women under 20, men and women also will be paid in dollars because of the fluctuations in the shilling, so that it matches with the standards given by World Athletics. Although ours is higher than the others, we will still pay in dollars to ensure that it is standardized.